Morning everyone. So I have a quick repair tutorial for you today. I have some jeans that have been brought in and the button has actually come completely out of the hole there. So you can see it's coming straight through and the actual denim is damaged on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by opening up this section here. We're going to put a new piece of denim in on the inside to back it. And then I have a nice new button which we'll put on in its place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this section here using a seam ripper just to get inside. I'm going to take it all the way round. Okay, so I've opened up this entire section on this side here, which allows me to get to the section that's ripped, and I'm going to put a backing piece on the inside. So on the inside of the jeans, I've got another piece of denim. I'm just going to pop in place, double fold it for strength. Just going to push that in. There we are. So it's covering the hole on the insides, and I'm just going to stitch around there. Okay, so I have the support fabric on the inside there, and this is the hole that we're going to cover here. So I'm just going to stitch around this section here. And there you can see on the inside there is a square just to hold the supporting fabric in place. I'm just going to do some stabilising stitches on the outside. You can see where the hole is. Just do some backwards and forwards, stabilising stitches, just to hold everything in place. So now it's time to put everything back together and top stitch all the way around to close it back up again. And there we are. So the jeans look back as normal. I've put some yellow thread around the top stitch edge. This has just been reinforced with some stitching, but on the inside we have the piece that we've just put in. So now we can go ahead and repair the button by putting a new button in, and I've got one of these denim jeans buttons to go in there. Now because we've got a backing piece in there, a new piece of fabric, we're going to need to make the hole. Don't be tempted to poke a hole through, don't be tempted to cut the hole through. We just want to work it through. It's nice and sharp, so it should get through soon. And just work it through the fabric, and you can feel it start coming through. And I'm just gonna work that through there till I can feel it coming in. So putting it on there, just either side, work it down, and I can see it coming through the fabric now. There we are. It's probably going to be a bit difficult to pick up on camera, but we now have the sharp end is protruding through there. So we're now ready to put the button on there. Okay. To do this, just flip it over. Okay, so we have the button down there. We've got the sharp pointy end protruding through in the original place. Just make sure it's coming right through. There we are. Push the fabric back, and then we're just going to make sure that goes into the hole like that, and just hit it in place so that it sets it. There we are. That's all fixed. So the button can't come out because it's nice and secured and we have that new piece of fabric in there. Just test it. There we are. Nice and sturdy, and the original jeans look is been achieved. Fixed. Thanks ever so much for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be bringing you more upcycling, more repairing and more renovating.